Hi kids, good morning. Welcome to today's English class. In today's English class, we are going to see about articles. Articles, A-R-T-I-C-L-E-S, articles. What is this? Articles. A and the. These are called as articles. What are called as articles? A and the. A and the. These are called as articles. Read with me. Articles. A-R-T-I-C-L-E-S. Articles. Repeat. Articles. What are the articles? A and the. A and the. Articles. These are called as articles. A and the. These are called as articles. What are these? These are articles. What are the three articles? Correct. A and the. These three are the articles. In today's class, we are going to learn the articles a and an. Okay? A and. We are not going to learn about the article the. In today's class, we are going to learn only the two articles a and. Shall we move in the class? Okay. In English alphabet, there are 26 letters. What are the letters? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So there are 26 alphabet letters. How many alphabet letters? 26. In these 26 alphabet letters, there are 20 consonants. How many consonants? 20. 20 consonants and 6 vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are called as vowels. How many vowels? 6 vowels. 6 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are called as vowels. 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 Repeat after me. Vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are called as vowels. 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 A, E, I, O, U. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U are called as the vowels. There are 6 vowels. The remaining 20 alphabets of consonants. Only there are 26. There are 26 alphabet letters. In these 26, 6 are vowels. Vowels A, E, I, O, U are called as vowels, and the remaining 20 sounds are consonants. 20 sounds or 20 letters of consonants. Okay. Now in this class we are going to learn where to use a and where to use an. Okay. How many articles are there? There are 3 articles, a and the. Now let us learn some conditions, okay, before going to the class. A and the are used before singular nouns. You know what is a singular and plural. I have already taught you. What is a singular? If there is only one ball, it is called as singular. If there are many balls, it is called as plural. When you add yes, it is a plural. Correct? It is a plural. If there is no S, it is a singular. This is one pen. I have one pen. It is a singular. Singular. If I have 2 pens, it is a plural. Right? Singular. One pen means singular. 2 pens means plural. Pens. Yes, we add S at the end. So it is called as plural. When we add yes at the end, it is called as plural. When it is only a single object, we use singular. This is called a singular and plural. So, we use articles before singular nouns. If there is yes, you should not use a and that. Okay, you should not use before plural. If it is a balls, you should not use a, an or them because it is a plural. Before singular, you will use the articles. What are the articles? A and the or the articles. Before singular, singular. What is a noun? You also, I think you may know what is a noun, but still I will explain. Noun is a name of a person, place or thing. What is a noun? Noun is a name. Everyone has a name, right? Anu is a name, Revati is a name, Jershan, Rudiha, these are all names. So noun is a name of a person. Person means a human being. Here person means Anu is a person, Revati is a person, Jershan, Rudiha, all are persons, okay? So noun is a name. If Anu is a name, so it is a noun. Noun, Anu is a name. It is a name of a person. Revati is a name of a person. So if the name is called as noun. Noun is a name of a person, place or thing. Place is a Alandalai, Tiruchendur. These are places, right? This is also a noun. Thing means anything. This pen is also a thing. Apple is a thing. Chocolate is a thing. Milk is a thing. So these are called as noun. What is a noun? Noun is a name of a person. Person may be anyone. Place, any place. Thing, anything. So noun is a name of a person, place, thing. Okay? Noun is a name of a person, place and thing. So the Anu is a noun, Alandalai is a noun, apple is a noun. Because it is a name of a person, place and thing. Noun is the name of a person, place and thing. What is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place and thing. What is a noun? Repeat after me. Noun is a name of a person, place and thing. What is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place and thing. What is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, thing. So, a and the are used before singular noun. Singular. You know what is singular and you know what is a noun. So, the articles are used before singular noun. Singular noun. When we have to use articles are used before singular noun. Okay? Okay. A is used before there are 6 vowels. So before the vowels you will use, what will you use? You will use an. Okay, you have to use an, and before consonant sound you have to use a. Let I teach with an example. Here, what is the word given? Boy. B is a consonant, right? B is a consonant. So you have to use a boy. Why we are using a? Because B is a consonant. Only these are the 6 vowels. Except 6 vowels, the remaining sounds are consonant. So B is a consonant. So we are using a boy. A boy. The second word is car. K. K is a consonant, right? So we are using a car. A car. The next word is apple. Apple. A is a vowel sound. What is a? A is a vowel sound. So we have to use an apple. An apple. Umbrella. Umbrella is a vowel. So we have to use an umbrella. U comes under the sound. Vowels, right? So umbrella. A sound. So umbrella. An umbrella. Okay? Students, now take your study material. Okay. Chitu looks outside and say, I can see a boy. Why you are using a before here? Before B? Because B is a consonant. Only there are 6 vowels, right? What are the vowels? What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Except these words, you have, whenever you have the words A, E, I, O, U, you will use earn. See here, earn apple. Why are you using A, E, I, O, U? These are vowels, right? So here, see, earn apple. Why are you using earn apple? Because it starts with the sound A. A is a vowel. Apple. These are vowels. So an apple. E. Earn egg. E is also a vowels. A, E, I, O, U or the 6 vowels. So before E we have using earn. Earn egg. Earn ice cream. I is a vowel. So we are using earn ice cream. And onion. O. O comes under the sound vowel sound. So earn onion. And umbrella. Why are you using earn? Because it starts with the sound umbrella. U. So A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So before vowel sound we use earn. Next, before consonant sound we have to use A. B is a boy. B is a consonant. So we are using A. Car. Here car is a consonant. K. So we are using a car. Dog. D is a, what is D? D is a consonant. So we are using a. Frog. F is a consonant. So we are using a. T. A tree. We are using a because T is a consonant. So before consonant you will use a, and before vowel you will use earn. So why do you say earn? The first letter of one word is A, U, I, O, U. We say an. The first letter here is A. A is a vowel. So before vowel we use an. Here E. E is a vowel. So before vowel sound we use earn. Ice cream. Here ice cream. A. I is a vowel. So we are using earn. Onion. Here O is a vowel. So we are using earn. Umbrella. U is a vowel. So we are using earn. So before the words A, E, I, O, U, we are using the article earn. Before consonant we are using the article a, an. Did you understand, student, today's class? Okay. I will give some activity. We'll do that activity, okay, for today's